the first thing you need to understand what the problem we try to solve. Okay, I'm going to give you a problem. Okay, we're going to solve a problem here. Say, okay, let's say every semester, starting with semester, you will buy some kind of book tuition, right? And I want you to figure out, I want you to tell me how much you spend in the beginning of semester. So let's go ahead and say, you spend about on the, let's say you spend on the book, okay? You spend about $200 in the book. How about the something else? Maybe you are spend about the bag. You spend about $100. You buy a good one. Okay, $200 on the book, $100 on the bag, and what else? I mean, maybe you buy a new PC. Okay, you spend about let's say $500. Okay, so right now the problem is, can you solve this? Can you tell me total how much you spend? Okay, you're gonna tell me, say it's not that easy. I'm gonna use my calculator. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna bring up my nice calculator, and I say what 100 plus what 200. I cannot see my number now, and plus the what's that $500. And the total is what? $800. And you say, is a problem solved? Yeah, it's solved. You already, I mean, all I want to know how much you spend. You just solve a problem by using a tool called calculator. Okay? What if you don't have a calculator? Okay? I want you, can you write me a program to figure out $800? Okay? I don't want you to use calculator. I don't want to use the mathematics. I want you to write a program to figure out $800. Okay, can you do that? Okay, let's start it. Okay, this is how you're going to do it. Before you write a program, you need to write what is called a pseudocode. Usually in a company, there are two kinds of people. One is called the architect, or you can call the engineer. There's another one called developer. This is the coder. This is the guy going to write a program. This is the architect. It's the one design. So this is a designer. Usually in company, there are two kinds of person. One is the design, the logic. There's another one write the code. And okay, let's think about this problem here. What we are trying to solve a problem is, you spend on the book, let's say $200. You spend on the PC, $500. And what else? You spend on the, okay, let's say you buy some paper, okay, paper. You spend about $100 and then just made it up. So what kind of problem we try to solve? We are trying to figure that out how much total you spend. Okay, the one in the beginning I just show you the one way you can quit a dirty way to solve what, use a calculator. But I don't want you to use calculator. I want you, okay, other than calculator, there's another way you can solve the problem. Yeah, write a pseudocode. It's called an algorithm. In your CS1300, don't forget. So let's go ahead. Usually this guy, architect, engineer, he will write a pseudocode. So let's go ahead and write a pseudocode. First step. Okay, the first thing is, the pseudocode will be, you have to do a step. Say get the price, get the cost on the book. Number two, get the cost on the paper.
PC.
Number three, get the cost on the PC computer. Number four, then what are you going to do? Sum equal B plus P plus C. And last one, you will say print S. And last one, you will say stop. Everybody remember? This is the pseudocode to solve the same problem I just used. Everybody make sense to everybody now? Okay? And this pseudocode, who's going to write it? Usually a company architect or designer write this pseudocode. And then this pseudocode going to be what? Had to be given to the coder, developer. He'll write the code based on this pseudocode. So I'm going to show you how to translate this algorithm into a program. And what program? You can translate this algorithm into a C program. You can translate this algorithm to a Java. You can translate the algorithm to anything. So let's go ahead and translate it together, okay? Get B. Okay, get B in the Java. How are we going to get B? Okay. Everybody, any idea? Okay, get B. B is a what? It's a variable, right? Cost is a variable, right? This cost maybe $100, maybe $200. To you, book maybe $200. To her, maybe $300. So when you try to solve a problem, the solution you're going to provide not only solve one problem, you can solve a very universal. I can use this solution applied to every student, and he can take this solution to figure out how much total. So let me go ahead and translate this algorithm into a Java now. So how to translate get B? Get B is what? I need to know the price, how much you pay for the book. Okay, in order in Java, let's go to the tonight I'm going to use this nice tonight I'm going to write this. I'm going to use this nice editor. I'm not going to use the Dr. Java. Okay, on your desktop there's called the JGraph. I think it's much better than Dr. Java, and you will know why. Let me go ahead and change the. I hope I can find the. I hope I can find the where to change the font here.
Right there.
Okay, I used to use this editor, and the reason I use Dr. Java because some of you are going to take 1302, right? I think the instructor, the professor teaching 1302 is using Dr. Java, so that's why I want you everybody kind of get used to it.
How about the top?
Huh?
Slide.
That's just sliding.
Yeah. Right there.
I cannot slide. Oh yeah, click it. Right. Let me try this one here. Okay, and the reason I'm not sure
Okay.
Anyway, wow, it's too big. Okay. Let me see.
43.
So let me go back to change it again here, one side. Okay, this is too much.
Oh, that wasn't it.
And how about this one here? But anyway, does everybody understand what? I mean, you need to understand why you have to do this. If you understand it, then everything becomes so natural to you. Okay, and becomes smaller. Okay, I think that's better here. Okay, so you need to understand what we need to solve the problem. I mean, if you understand, the first thing you have to understand the way to solve a problem. I think at least if you can overcome the obstacle, you can do extremely well. Even you only have a 4 week. Okay, how many time we have for this class now? I think we still have about 4 weeks. Okay, you still can make it if you really understand what I'm talking about. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, the pseudocode I just showed you, right? Let me go ahead and write down. Very important. The pseudocode is very important. Okay, we need to get the price of the book. We need to get the price of